Welcome back, man. Rolling in hot, non-consensual towing. They're doing I guess they're doing a paving job. I'll go ahead and get 2 of those right now. Somebody may not be real happy about this, but this property, they're not real happy the cars are here in the first place. I'm gonna grab the Honda first. Back there and pull the thing down. BMW sitting back there. Go ahead and get it. Yeah, right behind. Yeah, to the right. See to the right. I'm calling him right now. Let him know you're here. Hey, Vincent. Hey, we got a driver coming in the same gate to get that black BMW back there. Sir? Okay, yeah. Hey, just pull the rope down and go through there and get that BMW. He's on the way right now. He's signed your ticket. You got 2 or 3 more. Okay. I'll see you. I'm gonna go up here and strap these down and get on the road, get them out of here. There's a nice shade spot to strap my cars down and roll. That was Tater. He just pulled up. He's going to get 2 more. They've got 6 here they need to go, or 7. Anyway, we're going to strap down and roll. Let's stay tuned. Anyway, we're back on it again. I got 2 more to get here. I believe this car here don't run. A guy that owned it actually died. I hate that. But this property, they hadn't heard from the lady that's associated with the gentleman. I don't think they want the car. It's got to go. He's waiting on me up here. I got 1 more to grab. This one's in an area where they're redoing the paving. Look, get out of here.
Did move the motorcycle.
Oh, they did?
Yeah.
Good.
You'll be on tomorrow morning. So we'll be going.
Yeah. Just call us in the morning. Yeah, we'll come.
Yeah.
For sure. All right. Yeah, we'll definitely come. Give us a ring. We'll get here.
Okay.
And I'll write your receipt up real quick. Unit 3061. You got it. Yeah, I just seen one fly out again. I seen another one. Yeah, there he is. They're mad.
Can I pay you to move it over there?
This yours?
Yeah. Can I pay you to move it over there?
It's up to them. It's up to the.
Move it over there?
It's on him.
I can't cash right now.
So how you gonna get it back over?
I'll pay you again.
Let me call our dispatch. They'll probably charge us 65. Our rate's 65. Just
I pay it right now.
That's fine. Well, it's up as long as he's okay.
And I'll pay him again.
Bring it back
Yeah,
tomorrow?
I promise.
As long as he's okay with it, I'll do whatever he
Yeah, I'll
wants.
pay it. I got that.
Okay. That's fine. That's fine. Well, which space you want to put it in? Hey, tell her that I know it seems a high, but it's an impound. I could charge an impound fee. I ain't like that though. I ain't trying to hit nobody over the head. Yeah. But I pick up rate when they call a wrecker 65 hook, 65 hook.
Okay.
So I charge as cheap as I can charge you.
Appreciate you.
And let me give you a receipt right here. 65.
That's my fault. I've been.
Yeah, so when you come in the morning, this should be dry today. So once they line it,
Here you go.
it'll be done.
There's 65, and I'll put it right. I'll put it on this side of that. Pull down there and put it on this side.
Okay, appreciate it.
Okay, no problem. You got it. Yeah.
So I
Anyway, this little car here belongs to this gentleman. He just happened to come out, man. They had no idea whose car it was. But he paid me to move it. I could have charged him the $100 drop fee on the impound, but I didn't have to do that. The maintenance guy, yeah, he's not trying to start no problems with anybody. Anyway, I'm glad that guy came out on his Cobalt. It does look like the car's got some damage, but he may be trying to fix it. And he seemed like a pretty nice guy. Matter of fact, here he is right here. I'll be here tomorrow. You know what? I don't think there'd be a problem doing that. Just talk to him. Talk to him, because you can't leave it over here. They won't let you leave it over here. I know it's got the axle. I know the axle's messed up on it.
So the axle in the back car, somebody that couldn't fit.
I don't know of a guy that does mobile right now. I used to have a mobile guy. He moved out of state. But yeah, just check with him. Hey, I ask him. Yeah, talk. That maintenance guy is real nice.
All right, yes sir.
Yeah, talk to him. He'll probably let you do it. Okay. Thanks, man. Have a good one, sir. Like I said, he's a nice guy, man. He's just trying to get his car fixed.